Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this quick video, I'll show you how to update Facebook Messenger on your Android device in just a few simple steps. So let's go. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone and tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar at the top, type Facebook Messenger. Hit search. Then tap on the Messenger app. If there's an update available, you will see an update button right next to the app name. Tap update and wait for it to finish downloading and installing. If it says open, that means your Messenger app is already up to date. Once the update is complete, just tap open to launch the latest version of Messenger and enjoy any new features or improvements. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.